Hi, this is Jorge Fuentes from the Sidekick Strategies team, and today I'm going to show you how to add an exchange rate for a specific currency within your HubSpot portal. Why would this implementation be useful for a business? Well, if you sell to different markets or in different currencies, this particular hack will get you to a more streamlined reporting and analytics based on your closed won deals. Check it out. Once we're inside of HubSpot, we're going to navigate to our top right section where we can see the gear icon right here and click on it. This is the settings icon, and on the left side we're going to navigate to the account defaults. Now once we click on account defaults, we're going to go and into the currency tab right here, and once we click on that one, here's where I'm going to add a new currency, right? So I'm going to hit to add a currency. I'm going to look for the euro in this case. There we go, here it is, and then I'm going to actually place an exchange rate of 1.07 in this particular case, and I'm going to click save. Now how will this work in my portal? So let's go to the reporting section to kind of exemplify how this works. I'm going to click on my dashboards right here, and I'm going to show you that I have a specific report which right now is actually empty, but this will give me the amount of business that I closed today, right? And so we understand that right now we just set a specific exchange rate for anything that is the euro. And so let's go to the CRM section and go to deals. Now what I'm going to do next is create a deal. So on the top right corner, I'm going to manually create a deal, click on create a deal, and I'm going to call it euro test just for the sake of it, and then I'm going to choose the deal stage as closed won. Now here's where I'm going to place an amount. I'm going to place maybe 10,000 just so that we have round numbers right here, and I'm going to place the currency as the euro in this particular case. So 10,000 euros closed won today. Let's create that right now. Let's go. So now that that is created, let's go now back to our report, and you will actually see this in action. So if I go to the dashboard, you can see right here that this particular report gives me that I closed won today 10,700 US dollars, right? But this is because I do have that exchange rate enabled whereby a euro is worth $1.07. So HubSpot was smart enough to actually give me in my company currency, which is the US dollar, the amount that I closed today, even though it was in the euro currency. And that is how this magic works. And with that quick implementation, you're now on your way to report on deals, even if they come from a distinct currency, and you'll actually be able to see that data in your home currency or your company currency. Remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at, so go out there and be the hub hero that your organization needs today.